Hi everyone, it's Janelle from East Coast Mummy, and who doesn't love a useful gift? Today I have 5 new, inexpensive edible gifts to share, made with dollar store supplies. I also have free tags you can use to make them even more adorable. The first idea could not be easier or cuter. It's a fun way to gift a bottle of wine. Grab a pair of dollar store socks. I chose these delightful snowman socks from Dollarama. Pull one of the socks over the bottle and wrap the other sock around the top. Then pull the first sock over the top of the bottle. That's it. Now the wrapping is part of the gift. Fun, right? Next up is a useful gift that turns into a fun holiday activity. I found this Christmas cake pan with a lid at my local Dollarama, and I thought it would be wonderful to fill it with festive baking supplies and give it as a gift. You can add anything you like, but my local Dollarama had cake mix, icing, and icing decorations. I added them all to my cake pan, putting stickers over the prices. Then I put on the lid and added a tag with a piece of twine. The tag says, "Have a sweet Christmas," and you can download it for free on my blog. I'll leave a link to the free download in the description box below. I absolutely love this gift idea, and I think it would make a great holiday food bank donation too. The next food gift idea uses this brownie mix from Dollarama. It's only $2.50 and it's really yummy. I also grabbed a mason jar and a bag of holiday colored M&Ms. The first thing I did was wash out the Dollarama mason jar, dry it really well, and fill it with the Dollarama brownie mix. It holds the whole package easily. Then I added a few chocolate chips that I had on hand in my pantry and some of the colored M&Ms. I didn't do any measurements. I just wanted a little bit of a layer of each. Next, I replaced the cap on the mason jar and added these tags I designed. I have all the instructions for this particular baking mix, and I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can download these tags. I attached it with a piece of twine, and that was it. I think this jar of Santa's favorite chocolate brownie mix is adorable. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? The next food gift idea uses this chocolate chip cookie mix from Dollarama. It's only $2.50 and it's simple to make. You can fit one mix in a mason jar, but I grabbed a larger jar that holds 2 mixes. I wanted the gift to be substantial and make extra large cookies. I poured the mixes in the jar and added an instruction tag with a piece of twine. If you're interested in the free download for the tag I designed, I'll leave a link in the description below. This cookie mix makes a great gift, but it's also wonderful to have on hand to make cookies for a movie night. You can also make layered cookie mix in a jar. I have this recipe and the instructions and free tags on my blog, and I'll leave a link in the description below. If sweet treats aren't your thing, you're going to love this next gift jar idea, Christmas morning pancake mix. To make Christmas morning pancake mix, mix the following dry ingredients in a bowl: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it up and use a funnel to add it to the jar. I also added half a cup of chocolate chips, but this step is totally optional. Next, you're going to want to add this tag that I designed. You can print it like a 4x6 photo, cut it out, put a hole in the top, and attach it to the jar with a piece of twine. It has all the instructions for preparing the pancakes. I'll leave a link to the free download in the description below. This mix is great on its own, but it's also wonderful to add it to a Christmas Eve gift basket. I hope you love all these easy and inexpensive gift ideas that are made of food. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.